Top 6 foods that lower creatinine levels. Welcome to AgeGlow, where we help older adults take control of their kidney and bladder health naturally. In today's video, we're exploring simple daily foods and habits that support kidney function and help lower creatinine levels safely. Stay with us. Your kidneys will thank you. Number 1. Cranberries, natural kidney cleanser. If you struggle with high creatinine or kidney stress, cranberries may be one of the most helpful foods to add to your diet. Cranberries are well known for supporting urinary tract health, but many people don't realize they also help protect the kidneys and prevent waste buildup, which can help lower creatinine levels naturally. Cranberries contain special compounds called proanthocyanidins, which prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to the bladder and kidneys. When bacteria are reduced, inflammation decreases, and the kidneys can work more efficiently. This helps them filter excess waste, toxins, and fluids, the very substances that raise creatinine levels. Cranberries are also low in potassium, which makes them especially helpful for individuals with weakened kidney function or early kidney disease. Because foods high in potassium can strain the kidneys, choosing low-potassium foods like cranberries can reduce pressure and help maintain proper balance. The antioxidants in cranberries also fight oxidative damage. Over time, oxidative stress can scar kidney tissue and weaken filtration ability. Cranberries help protect against that. You can enjoy cranberries as fresh fruit, unsweetened dried berries, sugar-free juice, or even cranberry tea. Aim for 1/2 to 1 cup daily, or 1 small glass of unsweetened cranberry juice. Just avoid sweetened cranberry cocktails. Those raise blood sugar and inflammation. Cranberries aren't a cure, but they are a simple daily step toward better kidney function, lower inflammation, and healthier creatinine levels. Don't forget to subscribe to AgeGlow for more simple and natural health advice designed for older adults. Number 2. Garlic, anti-inflammatory kidney protector. Garlic is much more than a flavorful cooking ingredient. It's one of the most powerful natural foods for supporting kidney health and lowering creatinine levels. If your kidneys are under stress from diabetes, high blood pressure, or inflammation, adding garlic to your daily routine may help reduce the workload on your kidneys. One of the key components in garlic is allicin, a natural compound known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Since inflammation is a major cause of kidney damage, reducing it can help kidneys filter waste more efficiently, including creatinine. Garlic also helps improve blood pressure and blood flow, 2 essential factors for kidney function. When blood flows smoothly through the kidneys, filtration becomes easier, and creatinine waste can be cleared more effectively. For individuals with kidney challenges, garlic has another important advantage. It is naturally low in potassium. Many vegetables beneficial for health are high in potassium, but garlic provides benefits without putting stress on weakened kidneys. You can consume garlic raw, cooked, powdered, or in supplement form. For best results, try 1 to 2 fresh cloves per day or 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, especially in soups, vegetables, and salads. Avoid garlic supplements unless approved by a doctor, especially if you take blood-thinning medication. Garlic may not cure kidney disease, but it supports filtration, reduces inflammation, and helps prevent further kidney strain, making it an ideal food for lowering creatinine naturally. Number 3. Cauliflower, low-waste nutrition for kidney support. Cauliflower is one of the most kidney-friendly vegetables available, especially for people trying to lower creatinine levels naturally. When kidney function declines, the body struggles to remove waste products from the bloodstream. This is where cauliflower becomes a powerful dietary choice, because it provides essential vitamins without creating extra metabolic waste for the kidneys to process. Cauliflower is low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, 3 nutrients that often have to be restricted in kidney-friendly diets. Because it is gentle on the kidneys, it supports healthier blood filtration without adding stress. But the benefits don't stop there. Cauliflower contains indoles and glucosinolates, natural compounds that help the body break down toxins, reduce inflammation, and support detoxification. When inflammation decreases, the kidneys can function more efficiently and may help maintain healthier creatinine levels. This vegetable is also rich in vitamin C and fiber. Fiber helps reduce waste buildup and supports a healthy digestive system, which indirectly lowers the workload on the kidneys. When the gut removes toxins efficiently, less waste ends up in the bloodstream. You can enjoy cauliflower steamed, roasted, mashed, or even used as a substitute for rice or potatoes. An excellent option for people managing blood pressure and diabetes. Just remember, avoid heavily salted or processed cauliflower dishes. Simple, fresh preparation is the best choice for kidney health. Cauliflower may seem like a humble vegetable, but it provides powerful support for kidney filtration and recovery, making it an excellent addition to a low creatinine diet. Number 4. Blueberries. Antioxidant Kidney Shield. Blueberries are one of the most powerful kidney-friendly foods, especially for people looking to support lower creatinine levels naturally. Packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, blueberries help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, inflammation, and cellular damage. These antioxidants act like a natural shield, supporting kidney filtration and helping slow down the progression of kidney decline. Unlike many fruits that may be high in potassium, blueberries provide nutrients in a kidney-safe balance. This makes them suitable for individuals with chronic kidney disease or reduced kidney function. Their low potassium content ensures they nourish the body without burdening already weakened kidneys. Another important benefit is fiber. Blueberries contain soluble fiber, which helps remove waste, cholesterol, and toxins from the digestive system. When the digestive system eliminates waste efficiently, the kidneys don't have to work as hard, helping relieve pressure and support healthier creatinine levels. Blueberries may also help regulate blood sugar, thanks to their low glycemic index. Stable blood sugar plays a critical role in protecting the kidneys, especially for older adults with diabetes, a major risk factor for kidney damage. You can enjoy blueberries fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies. But avoid sweetened blueberry juices, sugary syrups, or processed blueberry snacks, as added sugar may harm kidney and metabolic health. Just a small handful a day can help nourish your kidneys, protect your cells, and support healthy detoxification. Simple, natural, and powerful, blueberries are truly a kidney-protecting superfood. Number 5. Olive oil, gentle on kidneys. Olive oil is one of the most kidney-supportive fats you can add to your diet, especially if you're trying to lower creatinine levels and reduce inflammation. Unlike many cooking oils that can trigger inflammation or place stress on the kidneys, olive oil is soothing, stabilizing, and gentle on the body. The secret lies in its rich content of healthy monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. Oleic acid has strong anti-inflammatory effects, which can help protect blood vessels and kidney tissues from oxidative stress. Since inflammation is a major contributor to kidney function decline, reducing it is an essential step toward recovery. Olive oil is also packed with polyphenol and antioxidants, including oleuropein and hydroxytyrosol. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, support healthy blood pressure, and reduce the workload on the kidneys. Better blood pressure control means less strain on the delicate filtering structures inside your kidneys. Another advantage is that olive oil helps improve insulin sensitivity. Since diabetes is one of the leading causes of high creatinine and kidney damage, stabilizing blood sugar levels can be a major benefit. To get the most kidney-friendly benefits, choose extra virgin olive oil EVO and use it raw over salads, vegetables, or blended into smoothies. Heating olive oil can reduce some of its antioxidants, so gentle use is best. Just 1 tablespoon per day can nourish your kidneys and support long-term kidney health. Cabbage flushes toxins safely. Cabbage is one of the most kidney-friendly vegetables, especially for people looking to lower creatinine levels and support better detoxification. Unlike high potassium vegetables that can strain weakened kidneys, cabbage offers gentle cleansing without overwhelming the body. It works like a natural purifier, helping your kidneys remove waste more efficiently. One of the biggest advantages of cabbage is its rich supply of phytonutrients and antioxidants, including sulforaphane and indole 3-carbinol. These compounds help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both major contributors to kidney damage. By lowering inflammation, cabbage helps protect the delicate filters inside your kidneys, allowing them to work more efficiently. Cabbage is also naturally low in phosphorus, potassium, and sodium, making it safe for people with chronic kidney disease or those managing elevated creatinine. Its high fiber helps reduce toxin buildup in the digestive system, preventing protein waste chemicals from circulating back into the bloodstream, relieving pressure on the kidneys. Additionally, cabbage supports liver detox, which indirectly helps kidney function. When the liver processes toxins more efficiently, there is less waste for the kidneys to filter. For best results, enjoy cabbage steamed, raw in salads, fermented as sauerkraut, or lightly sautéed with olive oil. Avoid heavy salt, sauces, or frying, as these can increase sodium and stress the kidneys. Just a small serving a few times a week can help flush waste gently and support long-term kidney health. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with someone who may benefit. Your small step today can protect your kidneys tomorrow. Stay consistent, stay healthy, and keep glowing with AgeGlow. See you in the next video.